Hi, this is Padmapriya coming from Chennai. I completed my BCA in SRM University and I worked for Cognizant for past 1 year. After completing 1 year, I need a job change. So I came here. Yeah, I am the student of Bix IT Academy. After coming here, I had a bit confusion of selecting the course. At the time, Basha was the one who suggested me to choose Python. So I had a 3 months of training in Python. Surinder was the one who is the trainee. It was just an interactive session. The concept was cleared in a interactive manner. After completing the course, the HR team, Mr. Karthikeyan, has guided me through the placement process. After proceeding with the placement process, Surinder was the one who tell me the tricks and tips of clearing the technical rounds. Yeah, now I got placed in a Sensible with a good package. I thank Bix IT Academy for giving me this opportunity. If anyone need a job change or want to come into the IT environment, just step into Bix IT Academy. Then everything will be goes on the flow.